Hey, they ain't ready, boy.
Good job, bro.
Gone nuts.
Like I said, if that was me, I wouldn't let nobody hit me like that.
But that's just me, though. We on this, boy. It's our state, boy. Yes, sir. I know what's going on, man.
You got your crew out here. You guys are ready for the championship game?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So how do you feel?
We feel good. We know we're going to win.
Oh, yeah?
We got to be confident.
You gonna keep that enthusiasm through that?
Yes. And then you know what? No matter what, we're going to cheer because that's what we're here for.
Yeah, that's what I noticed cheerleaders have to do.
I thought that was their job.
Yeah. See, they have to keep going. The players end up checking out a little bit sometime on different teams, but the cheerleaders, I know, they just keep cheering the whole way regardless.
Yes, we got to keep cheering. We got to keep the crowd enthused and in the game.
Okay, all right. Well, you guys have a great game.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Yes, sir. All day, baby.
Javon Ben,
Taking my shirt off,
16,
about to look like Mac Jones.
number 7, Tyreek Carter, number 6.
Sportsmanship at all times. That means gray talk to gray only, white talk to white only. That's all we got. Y'all can handle that? All right. This is heads. That's tails. Heads. Tails. Who's the visiting team? Not a visiting team, so call it in the air.
Tails.
It is tails. What would you like? Going third and second half, so what would you like? You want to receive? They won the toss. They will defer. And they will receive. All I ask you got to cover your knees, cover your backpacks, and let's play football. Let's shake hands.
Better see how Powerhouse works.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Family on me, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boy. Hey, they ain't ready, boy.
Oh my God. Yeah, just don't want.
Go. Oh, baby. Hands it off to the back, puts it out. Down the back line. Oh, baby. One down. quarterback. And the pass is complete.
Come on, guys. Get some water. Get a shot of water.
Just a little. All right, let's tighten up a little on her corner, on the rack. All right, guys, watch the ball right here. One won't get it for him.
I blitz.
Watch the ball.
No, bro.
Okay.
Can I blitz?
Guys, we're not hitting. Okay. Put your pants on it and let's hit like we know how to hit. Wrap up. Wrap up. Sir. If you ain't got nobody,
Oh, baby, looking down the field. Oh, look out, he got me. Pass goes out of bounds. No power on the crowd here. I like that. Oh, baby.
Yes. Yes, sir. In the middle? Yes. That sound like you know what it is, right? Listen, mental mistakes, guys. We gotta minimize it right now, right? Let's go. See, you ready?
With all those guys a little bit.
Keep it up!
Hey, listen, 75, 73 coming, right? Hey, you guys understand me? Kyle, pay attention. You understand? Hey, stop staring and watching. Finish the block. Get outside.
Hey, y'all keep blocking to the whistle unless the man's already downfield.
Go, boys! Go!
Whole game physical. That's how you play physical. Get it, get it. Coming your way, Davion.
On the clock. It was already rushing back.
This our championship, boy.
Doing that screen,
I saw that middle.
yeah, they're gonna start doing crossing routes. So stay alert to that. They're gonna try y'all with that crossing route. Stay alert. Now get some water. Hydrate.
Chris is gonna be outside.
Coach, listen, y'all starting to get to him, right? Y'all getting to him. They gonna start making mistakes.
Aaron, you're back there.
No, okay, but you're playing. Okay, I got it.
Outside back.
Let's go.
You're playing the 2.
Yes.
He's going to be put out of bounds.
Get your side, baby boy.
You still gonna eat.
Hey, stay speak.
You still gonna eat.
Good run,
First shot. He's small. Number 1 running back in the nation.
Oh, yeah, that guy was coming back out of the shot. Look, I need pressure. I need pressure. Don't get this quarterback no time.
Hey, you're standing straight up. Swim reps, right? Stop bull rushing. Ain't working.
Yeah, fight through there.
You gotta do something different. Hear me?
Let me see, Josh.
Yeah, fight through there. Y'all don't get
Hey, discipline football. Listen, hey, watch that crossing route with 20. Okay? Watch him roll out 20 comes backside.
I know, that's fine. But you chase it right here. It's going to take you right to the right.
3, 1, 2, 3. Finish on.
Hey,
watch for the trickery.
Hey, I need 10 seconds.
Outside. Oh, Bobby.
Boys, play with 110%. I want to hear that. Y'all keep fighting. This game's still on, man. Good catch, Kobe.
Hey, remember, what's the score?
0-0.
Right, hey, we come out same intensity, but minus what?
Penalties.
Right, mental mistakes. Right, we got on it over here. Remember, who makes the less mental mistakes wins what?
Championship.
Right? You can't jump outside, you can't hold. Right, be ready to go. Listen, we still got to come out second half. All right, you guys understand me?
Yes, sir. Hey, hydrate, y'all. Get some water in you, man.
Hey, keep your heads up. Everybody, keep your heads up.
Red.
We'll get the extra point. All we got to do is score twice. Score twice, kick a field goal, we win. Or score twice and kick the extra point, we win. That's it, we win. Defense, you've got to do your jobs. You've got to hold them.
You're trying to avoid a big hit coming at you. But you can't do that. That's why I say you got to get in there with your body in that dip and rip. But you got to keep your body free, all right? So what they're doing is when he kicks out, we kind of get into a manhood contest to where we want to start trying to shove through, man. That's not how we play football. It's technique, baby. That's how we got here, all right? Stay outside, keep your whole body free, attack his shoulder. That's it, nothing else. If you're looking at any other part of his body, you're in too far, all right? Contain and attack, boys, contain and attack.
Inside linebackers, listen, if it is a pass play, get your back there. Go, okay? We're giving him way too much time to throw the ball, okay? Guys, we got to tackle a little lower, okay? We got to tackle a little lower.
I mean, we got to tackle low. We can't, guys, we can't tackle up high. We know that, all right? We practiced it all season, okay? Let's not give it away now, okay? Let's not give it away, all right? If you need a break, let me know, okay? I'm going to give Jackson a break right now, all right?
Quarterback gets up to take a snap. Trying to find the right blocking. And he'll be brought down. Man in motion. Quarterback drops back, steps up. Quarterback gets up to take a snap. Drops back, steps up in the pocket. Quarterback drops back, looks down the field, finds the receiver with a short pass.
You number one.
Watch out, I gotta get through.
Play.
Their DBs are back there fighting, by the way.
I wouldn't let you hit me like that.
Lock them up. Lock them up. There it is.
That's just me though.
Yes, sir. It ain't over though. It ain't over. It ain't over. I ain't gonna eat my words today.
We can't block.
He made the group chat. Tell me that job.
That's tough.
11.
Who said that?
Oh my God.
Sergeant, I know.
What he said? We gonna be playing with him?
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Chris out.
Hey, listen. Listen.
Drew.
Hey, eyes on me.
Focus.
Eyes on me.
Focus.
Listen, hey, my backups, you still got to step up and play, yeah? You guys understand that? You got playing time is going to figure out when you earn it, right? You guys understand that? You guys understand that? Hey, so stay disciplined, run through your gaps, right? Do everything we've just been doing, right? Let's go, family on me, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We still want donuts.
Matthew, you're on this side.
Come on. So, donuts. Donuts.
Stay deep. Stay deep. Yes. 12. Did you see that hit? 12 years old.
Yeah.
12
Stronger than these people.
12 hits.
Oh, see that, man. Can't hold me, man. They took that all the way back. Yeah. New block.
Hey, you see that scoreboard?
Back to captureastar.
Luke said,
Third
Like
week in a
I
row.
said, if that was me, I wouldn't let nobody hit me like that.
but that's just me, though. Oh, they got 12-year-old running.
Number 6. Way
to hustle, guys. Way to hustle. Way to block. Way to block. Hey, Blue!
Oh, Lord. I got it, baby. That's what victories is for, baby. I got it. Yes, sir, Cuban, finest. Not the real deal, y'all. The FBI don't come looking for me. I'm just playing.
Told you what it was coming next.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I saw that right there.
See that? 3 of those.
Oh, yeah, that's all. That's all. That's all. Oh, get that. Let it go, Jeremiah. Let's go. Jeremiah, keep it safe. Keep it
Hey, good job. Good job.
Told you we next. State champions, you know what it is.
We on this, boy. It's our state, boy. Yes, sir. I know what's going on, man.
Who said Statesville, North Carolina? Shout out to
Big Statesville.
4.
704.
I agree.
Hey, number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Hey, good game. Let's go. Hey, good game, guys.
Hey,
Good game, guys. Hey, way to play hard. Way to play hard, guys. Good game, guys.
Good game, man.
I'm only in 7th grade too. Come on. Like I said, donuts. I'm getting them donuts.
That's that W. Thank you. I love you, bro.
That ring gonna look real nice.
First time. Tell me Chris Green that got a donut.
Oh yeah, smoke. Yeah.
Who wants to smoke with me?
This is the first time in Powerhouse history that we won 4 championships on the same day.
Hey, first of all, if I can get everybody's attention, you guys fought all year. Not only did you represent yourselves, your organization, but you also represent the ACC well. And with that being said, you guys are the inaugural 2022 CYA 14U Spring Champions.
Hey, let me get a piece of that.
Hey, you guys, we're gonna have a party for Powerhouse, and you guys be getting all your rings.
Hey, real quick, hey, eyes on me.
Focus.
Coach Phillip, hey, such a dominating performance on offense and defense. What goes into putting that kind of performance together in a Super Bowl?
Just prepping. I mean, like we prepped all year to try to play mistake-free and fundamental football. You know, playing against good teams throughout the year got us ready for this game. And we just executed. That's all we did.
So during the week, I guess I'm assuming you guys had a pretty good practice?
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all go. Stop.
Okay. So is there anything that you saw leading into this game that your team would perform to that level coming into it like that?
Well, we have a high standard for, especially my group of kids. We set the bar high, and I want to execute this high. I want my kids, when they go to high school, they compete for a spot and be ready to go. So I mean, I expect them to compete at a high level, no matter who they play.
Okay.
Put this group together actually this year.
Really?
This spring, yeah. The kids just showed up. I was like, hey.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. How does it feel to send this team off with that kind of victory into high school?
It makes me feel great because now these kids go in high confidence. Hey, we just came back. Won a championship, played against competitive teams throughout this year. Now they know when they get to high school level how to compete and be ready to go to the next level.
Okay, congratulations,
yes,
Coach.
Sir, thank you.
There you go, Goose Egg.
Hey, you get
Oh, I need the trophy for y'all. That's what I should have done.
So, Coach, you got that cigar going now?
Man, I had to, man. That had me nervous. I put my foot in my mouth one time this season. I said I'll stay humble for the rest of the season. The kids did all the work, man. We just pushed them, man. I'm happy to be a part of this organization. I love them, man. I look forward to the next round, man. Right, appreciate it. Shout out to you, man. We appreciate you doing this for us, man. Hey, without you, man, nobody wouldn't know nothing about us.
I appreciate
it, man.
So back up.
Back up. You swap teams on us. Move.
Actually, I play for both.
Move. You swap teams in U12. You're not even supposed to be on
that donut. You wearing that donut well?
Yeah.
We plan on eating when we get home too.
Okay. How does it feel to be champions here? It was great. I think you guys were pretty confident coming into it. Is that sort of what y'all expected?
Yeah. Always.
Yeah. So the game started off. It was kind of. Yeah. What snapped in you guys to now all of a sudden just get to a point where you dominated?
Last game with our boys. Last game.
Way to go out and represent yourselves out there, represent the team, and taking this big victory into high school, right?
Sure.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.